Bobo the Bee in Flower Land. Bobo the Bee goes buzz, buzz, buzz. He flies around with lots of fuzz. He sees a flower, big and red. "Hello," says Bobo, nodding his head. The flower says, "Come, taste my juice." Bobo sips it. "Yum, let's have a truce." He claps his wings and shouts, "Hooray! I love to fly and work all day." He meets a butterfly, flying slow, with wings that shine and gently glow. "Hi," says Bella, "wanna race?" They zoom and spin a happy chase. Then comes a bug with spots so neat. She taps the ground with tiny feet. "I am Dot the bug. I love to sing. La la la. It's spring, it's spring." Bobo laughs and does a dance. He shakes his legs and hops like ants. Flowers giggle, bees go wee. It's fun to play near the honey tree. The sun gets low, the sky turns pink. The stars come out and start to wink. "Good night," says Bobo. "Time to rest." Flower Land, you are the best.